What's going on, everybody? Crypto Chat here. Thank you for tuning in to another video. We're here on this beautiful Friday morning, August 4th. It's been 3 days since the Bitcoin fork, and I just want to go over one news story today. But first of all, I got this in the mail here. Family member who knows I'm into Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin ASIC USB miner, 330 mega hashes. So I'll make a video on this. Are these profitable in 2017? Spoiler alert, not at all. I mean, I think if I kept this thing running for 24 hours a day for a year, I think I'd make 93 cents, assuming power's free. But I mean, here it is. I mean, it's just cool to have, I think. It's pretty cool. And it just shows you, like, these things were quite useful maybe 4 years ago, but just 4 years later, they ain't worth much anymore. So make a video on this if it's profitable. Run over the numbers. If anyone's interested in mining, that'll be interesting. I'm looking to set up some mining rigs when I get back from my trip. Anyway, let's look at the market here. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash is down, which is meaning Bitcoin is up. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin Cash price, because this could be a little different, because look at all these exchanges, and now we can see, now that withdrawals have been and deposits have been okayed for Bitcoin Cash and all the exchanges, you can see all these prices are a lot more similar, except for BitBay, still at almost $500. But the prices are a lot more similar, so I will go off the coin market cap price now, since it's more likely to be true. Anyway, Bitcoin Cash is going down, meaning Bitcoin's going up, you guys. Even though that dominance is still about 45, 46%, man, Bitcoin's almost at 2,900. Yo. So we've seen Bitcoin come up several times to, 2,900. It flirts with it a little bit, and then it's just like, nah, I ain't ready. I'm not ready for this, See, it goes up to 27, up 29, and then it says, hell no, I ain't ready for that yet. Whoa. And then it gets, real close. It gets on 28. What's that? 2860, 2890, and then I believe the high today was 2880. It's not showing that, but you see 2875, 2875. So, it's flirting with 29. So what I'm going to say is that if Bitcoin passes 29 and stays there for a while, we're going to see a huge breakout in Bitcoin again. I mean, we're going to see another run up again of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin Cash as of now is out of, it's not a factor. It's not a factor anymore. It's not holding Bitcoin back, because its value is going down drastically. So, shout out to that. But let's just take a look at one last thing. I made a video of AntShares last night, and it's going well. And Neo AntShares holding strong at that $10 range. You can see that it came back down a little bit, which is expected. It's expected, you guys, because you just can't have a run up. What goes up must come down. So we're seeing, did not make a new high. It made a new high, then it made it. The new high wasn't as high, but the new low was not as low, and we're just passing that new low. So I expect to bounce back up from probably about $10. It's not going to drop below $10. It might hit $9. I really doubt it, but like I said, and like everyone said, you should have bought AntShares back at $5. Sorry, my dog. $5, $6 would even be good. Some people are saying $7, but I would stick around the $5 to $6 range. And if this really is going, if this little pattern right here corrects, and we rise back up once we hit $10, then yeah, just go ahead and buy it at $10 maybe. Not investment advice. None of this is financial investment advice, of course. All just entertainment purposes only. But anyway, so we're going to get into the meat and potatoes of what I really want to talk about today. And what I really want to talk about is Coinbase. And so Coinbase price, or Bitcoin price falls 57%, while some Bitcoin Cash price falls. Some investors won't be able to see the tokens until 2018. So if you know anything about Coinbase, they would not support the hard fork. Coinbase, let's see here. So they came out on a lot of struggle. Let's check out this. Just look, all these articles came out. Coinbase investor says the platform might reverse its Bitcoin cash ban in a few days. Okay, and that's what they're doing. They're reversing their statement because the original statement was, you know what, we're not going to support Bitcoin Cash because we think it's poopy. Okay, and as a result of that decision, I mean, we all saw Bitcoin Cash on Bittrex yesterday. It went up to maybe $1,500. That was 2 days ago. So the point is, all these people lost out on a huge, huge trading opportunity. Comment below if you had left your money in Coinbase, and if so, why did you do that? You know, I had my money in I had my Bitcoin in Bittrex at the time, and everything was smooth. I got my Bitcoin Cash right away. It was the right exchange to do it because the price went up higher than any other exchange. So I got lucky, I suppose. But why? Why keep your money in the exchange or a wallet that's not going to support the Bitcoin Cash when you can essentially sell it and get some more money? So I'm not too sure. But anyway, Coinbase is really, really under fire right now. ThinkTake attacks IRS subpoena and Coinbase. So the IRS subpoenaed them. That's hilarious. Wow, 14,000 Coinbase customers could be affected by the tax, and it's just ridiculous, dude. They dropped the ball on this. They said, "Oh, we're not going to accept this. We're not going to, this is not going to fly. We don't need Bitcoin Cash." And then it went to crazy amounts, and the users got mad. So they then said, "Okay, we changed our mind. We're going to allow Bitcoin Cash." But now that's after the fact. It's too late. The price has gone down, and this might be the end for Bitcoin Cash. I'm not convinced. Bitcoin Cash is going to stay around for a while. I got to do a little more research about how many, miners are mining it and all that kind of stuff. But I am going to take a chance, you guys, and I'm going to buy me some Bitcoin Cash. Maybe right now, because it looks like it's about to shoot back up. But I think there's a possible way. I think there's a possibility to make some profit if you buy Bitcoin Cash on the very low. There's a possibility there. That's all I want to say, you guys. Just wanted to cover the Bitcoin price going up. Just wanted to take a look at Neo Ant shares. Just wanted to go over the Bitcoin Cash and the GDEX Coinbase fiasco. I mean, thank God I didn't have my money in Coinbase because I live in an area where I can't use Coinbase. They don't accept services for where I live. So it kind of worked out for me. If you were in Coinbase and you left your coins in there, please tell me why. Just leave anything in the comment section below. Tell me what you guys want to see in the next video. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching. Thank you very much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to make a next video. It's going to be about Safe Exchange Coin. I'm getting some requests to do that. So I'm doing my research right now. And hopefully a video maybe in a couple hours, maybe later tonight, like by the end of the night. We'll see how my schedule is today. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, good luck with your trading and have a great day. Bye.